National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Charles County in southern Maryland until 6:15 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Waldorf, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Charles County. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable damage to trees and power lines. Your life is at significant risk if outdoors. In addition to some trees falling into homes, wind damage is possible to roofs, sheds, open garages, and mobile homes. Locations impacted include Waldorf, St. Charles, Hughesville, Bryantown, and White Plains. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a potentially deadly storm. Seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Abandon vehicles in search of a more substantial permanent structure. Stay away from windows. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the